Nou, ik ben Mette en ik wil graag mijn haar wat langer laten groeien, maar ik weet niet goed hoe. En ik laat het allemaal aan Theo over.
So Mette wants to grow her hair and she don't know how, so I'll make her a trendy hairstyle. And yeah, she's the first time modeling for me. Wil je alsjeblieft een rondje draaien? Will you turn for me and the rest of the world to show how your hair is now? And then you see beautiful lines. Dankjewel. Hello friends on YouTube, go do Mette's hair. And she wants to grow her hair, so I will certainly cut the upper hair with a hot scissor, so it grows a little bit faster. Give her a trendy new color. She don't want to bleach the hair. She had it for a long time blonde. First to start of course with protection. And stay in the wonderful blue she wears. Now this is special hairstyle what I can do with a clipper, because I can make the underlines very nice with a clipper cut. Straight in, then cut the upper hair with a scissor. So this will grow and the underlines will grow a little bit less fast. So then the upper hair will grow and will make her wonderful bob lines in a line of time. So start with that. Start by laying the hairs in natural fall. If she wants to grow her hair and need the length she already has. She is also very nice girl who works short hair. So we see what goes in time. I start in the center, put my clipper a bit back, just not to the front but a little bit to the back, not too much, and gently go in, peeling hairs off in the underline, connecting to the lines she already has. Spannend?
Nou, het is ergens wel.
Ja, dat is
Ergens ook niet.
Ja, je hebt zat kunnen zien wat ik maak.
Ja, precies.
Maar leuk hoor dat je model wil zijn.
Ja, nou, ik hoorde iedere keer van Emma en was altijd wel enthousiast van wat zij had. Dus toen ze zei dat, weet je, waarom niet?
Ja, leuk is dat. It's not the hardest hairstyle to make, of course, because with a clipper it's very easy to work, but you have to take care that you don't go in too fast, otherwise you get something that you don't want, a bold neckline. And I have that, but I like it. You see how wonderful this shape becomes. The combing in between is very necessary to get the hairs laying in the wonderful shape she has and to get them shaped like I do now. Otherwise they jump away. Hairs love to be together. So where they go together. Put my blade in the sharpest position. Now I gently make a nice strong contour line. Don't lean too hard on the skin. You don't want irritation of that. Watch out the thickness. And when you loosen the hair and you shake them around, you can see what the fall is of hairs. With my fine clipper, I make a nice sharp contour line. Clean the neckline. And now I can concentrate on the upper hair. Jij bedankt. En jou dus. Now wet hair. Not too much, just a little bit. I need this to transport the heat of the scissor into her hair. The scissor is of Jaguar, it's the TCC1 haircut. And therewith I will cut her hair, only the ends. The scissor on 140 degrees Celsius, lifting up onto the center line. Let's see. Now you can see the cuts that she already had I didn't make, so I can see there's a difference in length, and mostly the times I make them the same length, because then I have a better fall, and if the hair twists over to the other side, I have always the same length. And the nice thing about cutting with a hot scissor is that the hair feels much more feminine, sexy and soft. It stays in wonderful condition. Stil hier, hè? Weet je niet?
Ja, zeker.
Het klaslokaal is dit.
Oh,
Zoals
echt?
wij vroeger waren. Onze school was zo stil.
Oh, bij ons zeker niet.
Nee, die nieuwe generatie kletst veel meer.
Zeker.
Die doen er veel meer tussendoor wat ze niet mogen doen. Wij niet. Ik kreeg nou meteen een reglement overschrijven.
Ja, kijk.
Dat is echt niet fijn.
Wij niet.
Nee. Nee, bij jullie zijn het al fijn als je in de les komt.
Ja.
Talking about going to school in Holland. Now, when you work here, it's very quiet. So it's the same noise as we had at school. When I was young, we didn't say anything, but they go to school and make a lot of noise. So they're just happy when they are there. In my time, that was a different thing. We had to sit in lines.
Wij ook soms.
Yeah.
Met toetsen.
Sometimes they have to do that also when they have exam. Now comb the hair in the natural fall, and just small parts that stick out, I take off. It's not much, but then I'm certain I've cut all the hairs. So now I can make a collar. Okay, I made her a kin collar, and in her case I took the 01. It's a transparent collar, so you just want to light up the hairs a little bit, but give it also a nice trendy effect. Start applying it on top. It's a very gentle collar. I think pale colors look wonderful on her because her skin tones are nice pale. And she had for a long time red in her hair. And that started in England? Scotland. England. Don't know why you wear red in England. Red Sonja in England. Ruikt lekker verf.
Het is ook lekker cool.
Ja. Ja, maar ik vind de geur ook altijd heel lekker voor verf.
Ik ruik het niet echt.
Dat ruikt heel zacht.
Ja.
Een beetje fruit.
Ja. Ah, zoals thuis verven. Nou, wat een lucht.
Ik vind dat lekker ruiken.
Ah, nou, die was heel sterk.
Ja, zo'n pakje wat je koopt.
Ja.
Ja, maar dat is logisch.
Ja.
Zo'n pakje wat je koopt in een drogist is niet alleen voor jou. Die fabrikant die heeft eigenlijk met 3 soorten haar te maken. En die gebruikt natuurlijk het voor het dikste haar.
Ja.
Want dan kan die alles kleuren. Maar het is dus niet gemaakt voor jouw haar. Talking about products you get at home and you buy in the shop. Color products and perm lotions you can buy are made for the strongest hairstyles because when you make it for the strongest hairstyles you can do all the hair with it, but you have to take care when your hair is not the strongest hairstyle or the hair is it's not in the best condition. You have to be aware of that because then you can get a nasty effect by destroying your own hair. I have all the products on my hair, so I start in the back, combing the hairs down, just spread the hairs, watch if everywhere is color. Okay, close my plastic foil, wait for 25 minutes, and then we're back. And you, of course, stay just focused. Do it back and rest in a second. Yes. Zeg ze die van, gaat goed man. Okay, we're back from coloring. On her I use a foam. It's a foam of Goldwell. And the nice thing is that this color is ultra transparent. It's still wet, so it will be a lot lighter of color. But I'm certain that it suits her very nice, also in the line of the skin tones. Start blow drying, using a medium brush. She has still a grow back from a little undershave. Nou, ik zie hoe mooi die kleur is. Prachtig. Heel mooi bij je uitgekomen.
Heb je goed uitgekozen dan?
Meestal probeer ik als je de ruimte geeft gewoon op mijn gevoel te luisteren. Meestal gaat het wel goed. Dan kan het zijn dat je in een bepaalde fase van je leven iets anders wil, of iets anders wil bereiken, doe je alleen maar dit aan te geven. En dan pas ik dat aan. Maar in eerste instantie, wat mijn gevoel aangeeft, is meestal wel echt het mooiste voor iemand.
Je hebt er een oog voor.
Ja, maar ik doe het natuurlijk ook al heel lang, hè.
Ja.
Sofa blow drying. Now I'll first show you this classic way of styling the hair, because it's wonderful. So I'll turn on it for you. And to make it more funky, I'm gonna use a dirty angel on her. Klinkt ook spannend, hè?
Zeker.
So I have to take off the cape for a second. Even je hoofd even naar voren gooien. Ja, gewoon even naar voren, even ondersteboven. Zo. Dirty angel, you always apply it on the underlines. It's a dry shampoo and styling in one. Teruggooien. Okay. Now you shake the powder out of the hair. And you see how much hair she has. I like the look of out of the bed. I find it more edgy. I'm certain there will be a lot of viewers that love the classic lines of the bob, but it's not hard to get back because you can always go in with a brush and take the hairs out, and the product also. So this is the new color. And the bob line to grow. And thank you for being my model, and you for watching. Hug.
Yeah.
Okay, my love, you may turn around and show the people your new hairstyle and your new color. And thank you for being my model.
Thank you.
Hairdresser voor je. Do you know already what style?
Ik ben Mette en ik geef Theo het recht om dit filmpje op YouTube te zetten.
Oké, dankjewel.